Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming capability and isolating variables. Check that both charger and cable support PD or fast charging, and verify the device accepts USB-C power delivery. Next, look into the Type-C port with good light. Remove lint or debris gently using a toothpick or compressed air, because small obstructions often cause high resistance. Once done, swap in a known working charger and cable to determine whether the issue is the wall adapter, the cable, or the device itself. Now you dig into power profiles and actual delivery. Use a USB power meter to read voltage and current while the device charges, because numbers reveal if the charger negotiates the right PD profile. Try alternate chargers or set different PD voltage levels like 5V, 9V, 12V, or 20V when possible to see what the device accepts. Also check the cable. Low-grade or non-E-marked cables limit current. If current stays low across good chargers and cables, the device negotiation finish by replacing any faulty external parts and updating the device. You should swap to a PD-certified cable and charger first. This fix resolves most slow charging cases. Then make sure the device firmware or power management software is current and perform battery calibration if the manufacturer recommends it. If slow charging persists despite good external gear and updates, the issue may be the internal Type-C port or charge controller. At that point, seek professional repair or port replacement. One key tip: if LED or meter readings fluctuate wildly, stop using the charger immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.